Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to 13 O'Clock News. I'm your host. Shocking news today out of Manor Farm, just north of Durant, where the animals have seemingly revolted against the farmers there and taken over the farm for themselves. We had investigative journalist Mike Hawk on the scene today. Let's go over to him. Mike. Thank you, as always, for that wonderful introduction, Ray. Listen, you people watching at home, this is one of those stories that comes around every once in a while. Just absolutely jaw-dropping, okay? We have a segment pre-recorded because I was there earlier today. Oh my God, they followed me. Just roll the clip, roll the clip. Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm investigative reporter and journalist Mike Hawk. I'm here at the scene at a neighboring farm with one of the survivors of the revolution, Jebediah Crossbred. Jebediah, could you tell us a bit how it went?
Well, Mike Hawk, the animals were making a fuss one night, and so me and Boss Man Jones went to investigate. And it went a little bit like this, and I'll tell you in the form of a song.
Oh, how pleasant.
Yeah.
Boy! The animals, they're making a fuss. We gotta go.
Hey, y'all saw me project bite.
Yeah, man, she's thicker than a Snicker kid. Oh, my legs, give her down. No time for sleeping, man. Come on. My bad. Hey, yo, what the pig doing?
For the sake of animalism, we must kill Mr. Jones.
Oh, mama!
Wow. That was a beautiful song for such a tragic event.
Indeed.
Indeed. So, Jebediah, could you tell us a bit about how y'all retaliated against the revolution?
Well, we were thinking about forming an alliance with the other farms around the area, and they were thinking about fighting them hand to hand, but we decided just to call the police, and they came up and killed them all.
That makes sense. That just goes to show that animals can't get away with communism here in the U.S. I'm Mike Hawk, and I'm scared of toasters. Well, thanks, Mike. Well, that was certainly something. Let's go on to meteorologist Dixie Normus with the weather. Dixie?
Not be too bad. All right, let's take a look at our current conditions.
What in the world did I just watch?
Oh, your friends are high right now. Your parents are high right now. That hot chick's high right now. That cop is high right now. The president's high right now. Your priest is high right now.